In this video, I'll show you how to receive your payout from Whop. To get started, go ahead and open Whop on your device. Go ahead and sign in into your account on Whop. Now make sure that on this Whop account, you have your affiliates link and you have progress with your affiliate links. From here, go ahead and hit on your profile at the bottom left of your screen. Click on your profile name and that will redirect you into a pop-up tab. And here, go ahead and click on the settings button at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find it beside your name. Now in here, go ahead and head over into the payment infos tab. And in here, you'll be able to find all of the payment methods connected to your account. So go ahead and head over into the balance tab. And here, you'll be able to find current balance on Whop. So go ahead and click on that verify account button. You'll find this in red. So click on that to be able to withdraw your earnings on Whop. So once you click on that verify account button, you'll get redirected into Stripe. So from here, you need to go ahead and sign in into your Stripe account if you already have one. If you don't, go ahead and create a Stripe account for Whop. So Stripe is actually a partner of Whop for securing financial services. Go ahead and sign into your Stripe account, and after you do that, you'll need to make sure that you verify your Stripe account with a valid ID that you have before you can actually connect it to Whop. And after you have that connected to Whop, you'll be able to withdraw your earnings from Whop, and that is how you can simply receive your payout from Whop. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.